Begin with the needle and make sure it is raised as high as it can go. You can do this by turning the balance wheel towards you. Okay.
Go.
Make sure the purser foot is up as well. Put the spool pen felt disc on the large spool pen. Then put the spool thread on the spool. Lastly, put the large spool cap on the spool pen. Take the end of the thread and put it through the threading points on the machine. There are 4 on this machine. Then guide the thread through the front of the eye of the needle. Now on my machine it has a self-threading option, so I would do everything the same except once I got to threading the eye of the needle, I would instead put the thread along twin thread guide. He'd hold up and push threader lever that is located on the left side of the machine.
Go.
Release the threading lever and needle will be threaded. There will be a small loop in the back of the thread and gently pull away from you until it's finished threading.
Go.
Check the bobbin compartment to make sure that there's a bobbin in the machine. If there is not one, add one. Pull a few inches of the bobbin threading out of the before closing the bobbin compartment. It's right here.
Go.
Grab the thread that has been threaded through the needle. Oh, that hurt.
Continue.
Turn the hand wheel on the needle. It is as far as it will go into the machine.
Continue.
Keep holding the thread and move the hand wheel until the needle is at its highest position. The bobbin thread should come up with the needle.
Continue.
Keep holding the thread. No. Pull the top thread farther to the left. Pull the thread from the bobbin toward you until you see the end of the not working. Take both threads and pull the right back of the machine so they are out of the way when you're sewing.